Good morning, everyone. Welcome to the 2021 NNI Strategic Planning Workshop. For those of you who participated yesterday, welcome back. For those of you who are just joining today for the first time, welcome. We're glad you're joining us. My name is Andy Schwartz from the Department of Energy in the Office of Basic Energy Sciences. I also serve as one of the two agency co-chairs for the NSET subcommittee, the interagency subcommittee that coordinates all NNI activities across the federal government. So I'll say a couple brief opening remarks before we get to our keynote talk today. Today's sessions will focus more on interactive discussions during the breakout sessions, which follow the keynote, building on some of the key themes from yesterday's discussion, including R&D, commercialization, infrastructure, education and workforce, and responsible development. Before we start, I did want to go through a few housekeeping notes. You'll notice on your screen that there are some buttons just below the video screen. The button on the right is for technical support. If you're having any issues listening to the webinar, please use that to contact the technical support people who can help you sort that out. The button on the left is to email questions during the meeting. I will say that this keynote address, there's not going to be a Q&A session from this speaker. It's just a recorded presentation. And then, of course, we're following that with the breakout sessions where there is actually interactive discussion using Zoom features in the chat. So the email questions that is here on your link right now is really meant more for the panel discussion, which will happen this afternoon. So let me start by introducing our keynote speaker for today. It is Sangeeta Bhatia from the Massachusetts Institute of Technology. She's a biomedical researcher, a professor at MIT, and also a biotech entrepreneur who works to adapt technologies developed in the computer industry for medical innovation. Dr. Bhatia has received many honors, including the Lemelson MIT Prize and the Heinz Medal for groundbreaking innovations and advocacy for women in STEM fields. She's a Howard Hughes Medical Institute investigator. She's the director of the Marble Center for Cancer Nanomedicine and the Koch Institute for Integrative Cancer Research at MIT. She's an elected member of the National Academy of Sciences, the National Academy of Engineering, the American Academy of Arts and Sciences, the National Academy of Inventors, the National Academy of Medicine, and on Brown University's Board of Trustees. So without further ado, here's the presentation from Dr. Bhatia.